What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and save snapshot in Affinity. So once you're inside your Affinity design, in order to create and save a snapshot, go ahead and click on document on the upper left hand side. And here you will find the option that says add a snapshot. Now, once you click on add, you want to give this a name. So I'm going to go ahead and just say state, for example. Let's say that's what I want to call it, or current state or state one, whatever. Click in OK. Now, you may be wondering what is snapshot. Basically, if you're working on a design, you can create and save snapshot, basically different points or different stage of your design that you can easily go back to and restore at a later point in time in case you mess up or something like that. And I'm going to show you a real life example. So I created a snapshot here. So let's say I want to go ahead and make some changes to this. I'm going to quickly select this document, and let's say I start to make some changes to the color and so forth. But it turns out that this is not what I want, right? So how do I do this? I go ahead and click on documents from the menu option, go down to where it says restore snapshot, and I can click on this and to restore it back to its default state. And as I said, if you have this design saved, you can always go back into your snapshot to restore it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly save this. So I'm going to click and, for example, save right here. And I'm going to just leave it as is, click and save, and I'm going to close out of Affinity fully. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up like Affinity again, and you will see that the designs is there and I can restore the snapshot. So once Affinity is open, I'm going to open up but that same project, and you will see that you can always go ahead and restore it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this untitled project right here, as you can see. And if I want to restore this snapshot or this design to that state, whatever it is, go ahead and click in document again. And here you see restore, and you can restore it. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys. So that's how to go ahead and save and use snapshots and restore your design to whatever state that you want in Affinity. It's very easy and very simple.